Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing awesome. I am in my third summer with the Toro Recycler 22, and I figured it's time to make a quick video, talk about what I like about the mower, what I don't like about the mower, and help you in your decision. If you're looking to pick up a mower for your yard, is the Toro Recycler 22 a good option for you? So let's jump right into it and start off with some of the pros. So this model I have is the Toro Recycler 22-inch Smart Stow, which means you can flip these little blue handles here, easily fold the handlebar right up, lock these in place, and then stand the entire mower up. And it's got these supporting feet right back here. Now this is really great for storing it in the garage. I stored it like this for the entire winter, threw some stabilizer in, made sure the gas wasn't too full. It is meant to stand up with a full tank of gas, not overfilled, but filled. You can still stand it up and the gas won't leak out. Wow, there's a lot of black flies. So let's fold this down here and then unfold these blue things, flip this up. And there's actually two height adjustments here, a low one and a high one. I use the high one. I feel if you're really tall, the tall setting might even be a little low for you. So keep that in mind with the mower. I don't use it on the short setting. I am 5'6", and sometimes I feel like this is even a little bit too short on the tall setting. So food for thought. There's about 7,000 black flies helping me film this video. So hope you guys appreciate it. Couple other things that I really do like about this. The front wheel drive, I never used to be a fan of. I always used to like rear wheel drive, but I really like the front wheel drive in this. What's nice, and there's different schools of thought. People have different opinions. The rear wheel drive is basically, as long as you've got your drive on, it's gonna power the mower. With the front wheel drive, you can lift the mower up, and then the wheels that are being powered are the front wheels, so it lifts off the ground and stops. So rather than having to use this lever, which is the self-propelled lever, if you let that off, it stops propelling. Pull that up, it starts propelling. This handle here, you keep that down to keep the mower running, let that off, the mower stops. So rather than having to feather this all the time, I can kind of just keep an adjustment. If I want to stop and turn, I just turn like that rather than having to stop the propelled side of it. So that's the benefit with front wheel drive. I'm used to it on this and I really like it. So far, it's worked well and the wheels are holding up. So tread on the wheels, still feel like it's the same. Yeah, the mower's a little dirty, but besides that, it runs great. So that's the other piece of this, is it runs really well. I've had no issues with it so far. I put stabilizer in it in the winter, but besides that, no other tune-ups or maintenance, and it's run really great. Starts right up first or second pull, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Another thing that's nice, but I could do without, is the deck washout feature. So that's this right here. This little blue knob here, you hook a hose to, and it washes the deck out, but it doesn't do a great job. You're better off being the Smart Stow, tipping the mower up and just hosing out the underside of the deck. It's just as fast. Use a putty scraper. I've had a lot of comments on my original unboxing of this mower with ideas on how to clean the deck, stuff like that. Another thing that I don't really like about this mower is the side discharge. So side discharge has this chute right here, and the grass shoots out of here, right? But what happens is this chute's tipped down a little bit too steep, so you end up getting a row of grass rather than the grass dispersing out nice and even over the lawn. Not a huge deal, but it kind of makes the lawn look gross if your grass is a little too tall. And then the mulching feature on this, it works pretty well, but as soon as the deck starts to fill up, you start to hear this really almost like grinding noise as it's trying to chug through the grass. And granted, you don't want to have grass too long when you're mulching it, but I've used other mowers like the Troy-Bilt, and I feel like that mulches a little bit better than the Recycler 22. The bag on this works great. That's what I usually use when I mow the lawn, and maybe that'll change as the lawn gets bigger back here, but I do like the bagging system. It works really well. I've never had it clog up on me or anything like that, so that's a big plus. So overall, I really like this mower. I'm gonna start it up for you so you can kind of see what a cold start is, and I'm gonna put the camera right here on the picnic table. There we go. So this is a cold start. This has not been run in about a week. Third year in, and it starts up on the first pull. Can't complain about that, huh? So yeah, I use this at least once a week. I really like how it works. Really happy with how it cuts. I replaced the blade for the first time this spring. So I went 2 full seasons with one blade, and then it's getting a little bit chipped and cracked, so I just replaced it rather than sharpening it. You could sharpen it if your blade's in decent condition. We have a lot of sticks and stuff, and this lawn's not good, as you can tell. It's gonna get there. We're gonna get a better lawn. Hope this was helpful. If you're looking to pick up a mower, if you're looking at the Recycler 22, wondering, is it the right mower for you? I would say if you've got a small to even medium-sized yard, it's the mower for you. I would buy this mower all over again, and I am not sponsored by Toro to say that. I just like it. I like the simplicity of it, and I like how it mows. One last thing I wanted to mention before I forget is this is not a personal pace. So basically, you can adjust how fast the propelled goes by using that handle, and that's about it. That's what I like. Keep it simple. Hope this was helpful. If it was, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.